1 potato. Dinner is ready in just 10 minutes. Let's start with a potato. Mine in the video is too big, so I'm only going to use half. You can use a minor. Take this potato and set aside next door. In a fry pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter, and with the help of a brush, I will spread all over the bottom of the frying pan. Now, just take the slice of the potatoes and put in that way. Cover the pan and leave to cook for 4 to 6 minutes. After that time, turn the potato into a plate and return with it to the frying pan with the other part facing down. Fix the potato again until it covers the entire skillet. Cover again and leave for another 4 minutes. In a smaller container, add 2 eggs. Beat them very well. Add salt to taste, sweet paprika to taste, black pepper to taste, cheese to taste, and come back to stir again. Now just untap the pan and throw out the mixture over the potatoes. Recap and leave for 2 minutes or until this egg cooks well. Our recipe is ready. Look how beautiful and delicious it is. And finally, I added azeite or oil to taste, but it's totally optional. You don't have time and you don't know what to do for dinner? Make this recipe and it will be a success. It's delicious, remembering that all the ingredients I leave right below. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.